Hello friends, today I am going to review the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. So let me give you the device overview. On the bottom of the device you are getting a 3.5 meter standard headphone jack, a USB Type-C charger, come the data syncing port, a primary microphone, the speaker grill and an S Pen slot. On the left side of the device you are getting the volume rockers and the Bixby button, which is a Samsung's voice assistant. On the right side of the device you are getting the power key button. On the top of the device you are getting a noise cancellation microphone and then slot for inserting SIM card and micro SD card. Here micro SD card is supported up to 256 gigabytes. On the back of the device you are getting a dual camera. So one is the primary camera and the second one is for the zoom. So both are having optical image stabilization, and the secondary camera can zoom up to 2x optical zoom. And next you are getting the heart rate sensor, the flashlight and the fingerprint scanner. Here a Samsung logo. In the front of the device you are getting a face unlock detection, a primary camera. Here is the speaker for calling, and this is the iris scanner, and this is the notification LED. So as you can see, this is the always on display given by Samsung. So let me turn on the phone. So this is the home screen. So first let me start with the device specifications. Yeah. This Samsung Galaxy Note 3 comes with two types of processors depending upon the region where you are staying. So the US and China are getting Snapdragon 835 octa-core CPU, and the rest of the world is getting Samsung Exynos Octa 8895, which is a 2.31 GHz processor. As you can see, 8 cores are there. You can see 4 cores are running at 2.31 GHz and another 4 cores are running at 1.69 GHz. This is a 10 nanometer processor. You can see all the 8 cores are running here. Coming to the device tab, here it is showing the screen size 6.36 inches and the resolution is quad HD, that is 1440 into 2960 pixels. The screen density 517 dpi. The total RAM available is 6 GB, that is out of which you are getting 5346 MB, and the available RAM you can see there. The internal storage is a 64 GB, out of which you are getting 53.14 GB, and the available storage, which is unused storage now, despite installing many apps, I am having 39.49 GB. Coming to the system, I'm sorry, this is the ad. Android, it is running 7.1.1. API level it is showing, and many of the bootloader information, everything it is showing. And coming to the battery, you are having here a 3300 milliamp hour battery. Sensors, you are getting all the sensors, as this is a flagship device, so there is no question of missing out the sensors here. Okay, so this is the specs. So coming to the display part, so this mobile comes with 6.3-inch Quad HD Super AMOLED, so which is a gorgeous display given by Samsung. And coming to the software overview, here about the phone software information. So it is running Nougat 7.1.1. So Oreo will be soon pushed to the Note 8 and the S8, S8 Plus. You are getting the Samsung Experience version 8.5 here. you can see this is Samsung TouchWiz UI which you are getting with the Note 8 8.5, that is the version. So as you can see, there are many apps. Comes with pre-installed Google, Microsoft apps, and these are the many apps I have installed. So coming to the speaker quality of the phone, so let me play some music. So this is the speaker quality of the speaker which you are getting with the Note 8. Coming to the video quality, of the phone, so I'm just going to play video. This phone supports 4K playback of 4K video. Also it supports the high dynamic range, which is HDR. So I will just play one video for you. Yeah, here you go. So this is the 4K video and it is in HDR. So you can see the colors there. So nice colors it is giving. You can fit this video to the 18.5:9 ratio of this Note 8 instead of 16:9, or if you wish to watch it in normal 16:9, you can do that. Yeah. So this is the video quality you are getting in the Note 8. So next, this device is a IP68 water and dust resistance. So you can use it in the water up to 30 minutes. This S Pen also comes with the water and dust resistant. So let me give you some of the S Pen features. Let me show you some of the S Pen features here. Here you can see Samsung is giving you these many S Pen menu here. You can create a notes using Samsung S Note. You can view the notes. You can smart select like this. You can smart select. You can draw. You can share. You can set as your wallpaper. You can save it to the gallery. You can auto select the shape of the image. You can extract the text. You can pin to the screen. And screen write, it will take you a snapshot of the screen where you can after which you can write on the snapshot, and you can share it or you can save it in your gallery. So live message is Samsung's new thing here. You can write on the screen like this and you can share after done. So this will convert it into a GIF. Yeah, after which you can share it to many of the apps, WhatsApp, message, Facebook, or you can mail it to someone else. Next, translate. So if I go to some messaging app here, yeah, here you can see I'm going to translate. You can select how much of the text you want to translate. Here you can see it is converting the text from one language to other. It is a very nice feature. You also have a support of so many languages here. And coming to the Bixby Vision, this is a new thing here. If you open any of the image in your gallery here, so if you click on Bixby Vision and if you hover your S Pen here, so it will highlight like this. You can click on this and it will show you the similar types of images from the web. Coming to the many of the S Pen features here, glance, magnify and coloring. Coloring is very interesting here. You can choose any of the drawing here. So I am selecting this and you can apply colors you want like this. You can choose the fill color. You can see how nicely you can fill the colors here to this drawing. Like this you can choose many of the colors. So these are the S Pen options. Also S Pen has already AirWave, which you can hover your S Pen tip like this on the text. It will hover that it will show you the information in that message, or you can play any music by hovering on the music, or any video by hovering on the uh, video files like that. So S Pen is a very useful tool here for the Note 8. So coming to the unlock features of the Note 8, you are having three types of security here. This is a face recognition, a fingerprint scanner and iris scanner. You can use any of the three things to secure your phone. You're also getting secure folder, which you can hide your files in this folder so that you can only view the files using any of those unlock methods which I show you earlier. Okay, showed you earlier. So we are also getting this nice weather. widget and other application. So coming to the price point, here in India this phone costs you around 67,999 rupees. So Samsung is also giving 4,000 cash back on using HDFC credit cards. So I was previously a Note 4 user, which I recently updated to switch it to Note 8. So this is really a nice phone. As you can see, the display is curved here on the edges. So the screen is really nice. There is no color distortion from viewing different angles. Coming to the camera part, so I will show you the camera. Yeah. So this is the camera, primary camera, which is I'm shooting at 12 megapixel. You can use 2x optical zoom like this. So it will zoom you up to 2x optical zoom like this. You are also getting this floating button. You have live focus. So which you can blur the background of the image if you subject like this. Here you can see live focus is available, it is showing. You can just click on this. It will blur the background. So the camera is really nice here. So I'm just showing you the picture I have captured. So this is the picture I captured there. So as you can see how nicely the background is blurred, only the subject is clear, that is highlighted. So you can also adjust the background blur effect like this. If you don't want any background, you can just adjust the background blur. If you want a background blur, you can partially adjust like this. If you want full background blur, you can adjust like this. So this is a very nice feature given by Samsung. Actually it captured two images, one is the wide angle and one is the close-up view. You can see the wide angle here. This is the real image captured and it's a close-up view which you can adjust the blurring effects. So I'm showing you some of my images that I have captured here. So I told you I was previously using Note 4 that is installed with the custom ROM. As you know, Note 4's official Marshmallow is laggy and it has a restart problem. So I am running custom ROM on my Note 4. So here is the shots I have taken in the low light. You can see it here. So this is the low light I have taken. If I zoom in, you can see how much detail is there. Just check how much of detail is there in the image. So this is the captured using the no zoom, that is the primary camera. So this has been captured using the secondary lens, that is the 2x optical zoom. Even though you can see how much of the details it is preserved in this image. So this is the 4K video which I have recorded in low light. So this is the normal view. here is the zoom using 2x zoom. So this thing is camera is really good. You also have a editor which is inbuilt into this Note 8, where you can edit the image like this. Only of the subject you want, you can make the colors of the subject, and the background you can make it white and black, and only a subject you have color. You can edit in this Note 8's inbuilt photo editor like this. You can see I have taken many images here. These all things has been captured using Note 8's camera. So that's it, guys. So if you are planning to buy Note 8 here in India, so it is a really nice mobile, value for money, which I can say. I know it is a bit costly, but it is very worth. You can purchase. Cost I told you 67,990 rupees here in India. So that's it. So I'm going to do a detailed overview of the S Pen features, the camera features, and many more features, tips and tricks of the Note 8. So stay tuned for that. So this is my first review of the mobile phone. So I know I am not 100% perfect here. So I think I am somewhat good at review. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon for the updates.